Hey yo, website warriors. Ever felt like your digital presence is as flat as a deflated pool float? Well, prepare to inflate your online ego because we're building a website today. No coding skills required, just a healthy dose of creativity and the willingness to poke fun at the internet's weirdness.
Picture this, a website so dazzling, it makes unicorns weep tears of glitter. So interactive, your computer mouse begs for mercy. So personalized, your spam folder writes fan letters. That's the power of having your own website, a digital middle finger to the cookie-cutter templates and stock photos of the online world.
Element deployed. Prepare for visual domination.
These platforms are like the easy bake ovens of website creation. Throw in some pre-made blocks, sprinkle in some text that makes even your grandma say, wow, and voila. You've got a website as delicious as a warm brownie. Just don't try eating it. Virtual calories are a myth. Don't be afraid to get messy. Experiment with layouts like a toddler with finger paints. Add funky fonts that would make Comic Sans cry. Throw in a dancing hamster GIF for good measure. Your website is your personal playground, so make it as wacky and wonderful as you are. Want a contact form that makes visitors do the Macarena before submitting their info? Go for it. Embed a blog that reads like a caffeinated hamster on a sugar rush? Why not? Your website is your digital canvas. Paint it with the rainbow of possibilities, and maybe some glitter for good measure. Sure, SEO is important, but let's be honest. Who wants to be friends with robots anyway? Focus on creating content that makes people laugh, cry, and share like they just discovered the world's cutest baby panda. That's the real SEO gold, my friends.
They built not just websites, but empires of friendship, creativity, and questionable fashion choices.
Building a website is like baking a cake. It takes time, effort, and a sprinkle of love, and maybe a pinch of self-deprecation. Don't be afraid to learn, laugh, and make mistakes. Your website is a reflection of you, so embrace the quirks and let your online personality shine through.
So, unleash your inner web wizard and build a website that makes even the most jaded online cynic do a double take. Share your website wins, woes, and weirdest design choices in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and giggles. Until next time, may your pixels be forever bright and your memes forever dank.